Hi friends, this is Lokesh Babu. Welcome to my channel Lokesh Maths Hub. Thank you for watching my videos. Friends, today I am going to teach what is the algebraic multiplicity and geometric multiplicity of eigenvalue of a matrix. Then after that I will take one matrix and we can find the model matrix of the matrix A and we can transform it into diagonal form. It means in this one problem I will teach you how to find the eigenvalue, and eigenvector and model matrix P and P inverse by using this model matrix, then diagonal matrix P inverse AP and the powers of the matrix. Let us suppose we should find A power 4. So in this one problem you can understand the total unit of the BTech first year. So please try to concentrate half an hour. Give me the time half an hour for this video. Little bit lengthy but very important. If you concentrate and if you watch this video from starting to till end, you can understand how to find the eigenvalue of a matrix. Whatever the problem is given, whatever the matrix is given, you can find how to find the eigenvalues, and you can find the eigenvectors, the procedure how to find the eigenvectors, and the model matrix. What is model matrix and how can we find the model matrix P, and how can we find the inverse of the matrix P inverse of the matrix. It means from this you can easily solve any problem inverse from any competitive exams. And after that you can find the diagonal matrix D, where the eigenvalues of D are the principal diagonal of the D are eigenvalues of A, and from D you can find the powers of A power 4 or A power 3, whatever it may be. So this video is very important. So watch concentrately, give half an hour time for this. Please take pen and paper. So put it all your work aside and concentrate. Right? Okay friends? Right. So don't waste your valuable time. Let's get into the class. See, algebraic multiplicity of eigenvalue of a matrix. If lambda is an eigenvalue of A, if lambda is a eigenvalue of a matrix A, repeated, if it is repeated m times, then m is called algebraic multiplicity of the eigenvalue lambda of the matrix. It means if lambda is the eigenvalue of A, if A is a matrix is given, then find the eigenvalue of this eigenvalue. So for example, if it is 3 by 3 matrix, you can find lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, 3 eigenvalues, right? Then if eigenvalue is repeated m times, then m is the algebraic multiplicity. For example, if the eigenvalues are, for example, 2, 2, 2, 3 times repeated, 2 is repeated 3 times. Say only one eigenvalue lambda equal to 2, it repeated 3 times, 2, 2, 2. So therefore the algebraic multiplicity of lambda equal to 2 is 3. The algebraic multiplicity of lambda equal to 2 is 3 here. Right? I think you understood. If lambda is the eigenvalue of A repeated m times, then m is called algebraic multiplicity of lambda. For example, if A is a square matrix of order 5, and eigenvalues of this matrix are, let us suppose this 1, 3, 3, minus 1 1. Then what is algebraic multiplicity? Algebraic multiplicity is if repeated eigenvalue is called algebraic multiplicity. So what is the algebraic multiplicity of lambda equal to 1? Lambda equal to 1 is only 1. It is only once, it is repeated only 1. Therefore algebraic multiplicity of 1 equal to 1. Algebraic multiplicity of eigenvalue lambda equal to 3. So lambda equal to 3, how many times repeated? It is 1 to 2 times repeated. Therefore 2 is the algebraic multiplicity of lambda equal to 3. Algebraic multiplicity of lambda equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is how many times repeated? 2 times it is repeated. Therefore algebraic multiplicity of eigenvalue lambda equal to minus 1 is 2. So understood clearly? It means the repeated eigenvalue m, yeah, then m is called the algebraic multiplicity. Now the second definition, geometric multiplicity of eigenvalue of a matrix. Geometric multiplicity is nothing but the required number of arbitrary constants. See, if after finding the matrix into echelon form or upper triangular matrix, then you can find the rank of the matrix. You know, rank is the number of non-zero rows is the rank, right? N is the number of variables x1, x2, x3. N is the number of variables. Then the required number of arbitrary constant. How many arbitrary constants we can choose generally? N minus r. So the required number of arbitrary constants is called the geometric multiplicity. Or the number of linearly independent eigenvectors. The number of linearly independent eigenvectors is nothing but n minus r. That is called the geometric multiplicity. The number of linearly independent eigenvectors corresponding to the eigenvalue is called the geometric multiplicity. So geometric multiplicity's formula is n minus r. N is the number of variables and r is the rank of the matrix. So in this way you can find am and gm. What is the use of this? See, if eigenvalues are repeated, if eigenvalues are, first case I am taking, already I discussed in the previous lectures. If eigenvalues are distinct like 1, 2, 3, then the matrix A is diagonalizable. If eigenvalues are distinct, then compulsory the matrix is diagonalizable. In case if eigenvalues are not distinct, it means repeated. In such case you can see two cases. Sorry. So if eigenvalues are repeated, then you should check am equal to gm or not. Algebraic multiplicity of that particular eigenvalue is equal to geometric multiplicity of that eigenvalue. If am equal to gm, then automatically the matrix is diagonalizable. In case if am is not equal to gm, then it is not diagonalizable. Right? Understood? So if eigenvalue are distinct, then it is diagonalizable compulsory. If eigenvalues are not distinct, like 1, 2, 2 is repeated 2 times, then you check whether am equal to gm or not of that eigenvalue. If am equal to gm, it is diagonalizable. If am is not equal to gm, it is not diagonalizable. If am is not equal to gm, then simply write down it is not diagonalizable. If am equal to gm, then let us find the diagonalization. Now let us see one problem. Find the model matrix P which transforms the matrix A equal to 1 0 minus 1 1 2 1 2 2 3 to diagonalizal form and calculate a power 4. Right? See, in this A is given. First of all, you should find the eigenvalue of the matrix, then eigenvectors, then model matrix P, then P inverse of the matrix. P inverse is, you know the formula, adjoint P by determinant of P. Then find D equal to P inverse AP, diagonal matrix. Then we can find A power 4. This is the procedure of the diagonalization. So I will call this as 5 steps. 5 steps for the diagonalization: eigenvalue, eigenvector, model matrix, P inverse and D. This is the 5 steps for the diagonalization, right? After that you can find the powers. Let us see. First find the first step eigenvalue. See the characteristic equation of A equal to A minus lambda I equal to 0. What is that? See 1 minus lambda 0 minus 1 1 2 minus lambda 1 2 2 3 minus lambda, right? A minus lambda I equal to 0. So this is the A minus lambda I, the characteristic equation I am writing. A minus lambda I equal to 0. See, since it is 3 by 3 matrix, I have a formula to find the eigenvalues. What is the formula? A minus lambda I equal to, since it is 3 by 3, lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 equal to 0. This is the formula, where s1 is the S1 is the sum of the principal diagonal elements, right? S1 is the sum of the principal diagonal elements, S1. What is these principal diagonal elements? 1 plus 2 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Now S2 is the sum of the minors of principal diagonal elements. Sum of the minors of the principal diagonal elements means sum of the minors of principal diagonal 1, 2 and 3. We should find the minors of these 1, 2, 3, right? Let's find this. Right. Now S2 is the sum of the now what is S3? S3 is the det A. It means the product of the eigenvalues, the product of the principal diagonal elements. What is that? It is nothing but det A. Det A means of course, since it is det A. So S3 is the det A. What is det A of this? Find out det A. 1 into det A is 1 into, right? Eliminate this column and row. Then 2 to the 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. Next, minus 0 into something is 0. Then minus 1 into, this is 0 into something is 0. Next, minus 1 into, eliminate this row and column. Row and column, you will get 1, 2, 2, 2. 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. What is this? 4 and minus 0. This is minus 2. Minus 1 into 2 minus 4 is minus 2, right? So what is this? You will get 4 plus 2 equal to 6, which is not equal to 0, of course. Det A is not equal to 0 means it is inverse exists, right? So now A minus lambda equal to 0. Since it is 3 by 3 matrix, I have this formula: lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 equal to 0. S1 is the sum of the principal diagonal elements, S2 is the sum of the minors, and S3 is this. So we need to find S2. Let us find S2. S2 is sum of the minors of the principal diagonal. What is the first minor? One minor. One minor is, eliminate this and this, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3 plus 2 minor, this eliminate this column and this, 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Please concentrate. Next 3 minor, this 1, 0, 1, 2. Now what is this? 6 minus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, 0. This is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 2, this is equal to 9 plus 2, 11. This is S2. Now our characteristic equation a minus lambda I equal to lambda cube minus s1. What is s1? 6 lambda square plus s2. s2 is 11 lambda minus s3 is 6 equal to 0. Right, this is the uh, equation of third order. Therefore, I will solve the factors by using trial and error method. I will substitute first lambda equal to 1 in this. I will choose 1, lambda is 1 minus 6 into 1, 6 into 1 square plus lambda into 1 minus 6. What is this? 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. 1 plus 11, 12 minus 6 plus 6 minus 12 equal to 0. So plus 12 minus 12 equal to 0. It means what? Lambda equal to 1 is satisfying this equation. Is satisfying equation 1. It means what? Lambda equal to 1 is an eigenvalue of A. So this is the one eigenvalue. To find the remaining eigenvalue, I use Horner's method or synthesis method. What is that? First I can write this lambda equal to 1 here and write the coefficient of this. Write the coefficients of this equation. Whatever we are going to find the factors of that equation. So what is the coefficients of this? Coefficient of lambda is 1 minus 6 and 11 minus 6. Write down like this and write and put 0 in this and take a line, write down and add this. 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 0 is 1 and multiply this 1 into 1 1 and write down here and add this. So in this vertically should add minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 and here multiply 1 into minus 5 minus 5. Now add this plus 6. Now 1 into 6 is 6. Now what is this 0? You should get 0 here, then only your answer is correct, right? Now now what is this? Now from quadratic to we brought into square quadratic equation. What is this? Lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 6 equal to 0. Now what is this? 6 into 1 6. Write down 3 to the 6 minus into minus plus 6. By adding this you should get this. By adding you should get this. By multiplying you should get this. Right? By multiplying you should get this. By adding these two you should get this. So you can split this minus 5 into minus 3 lambda minus 2 lambda, right, and plus 6 equal to 0. This implies lambda common, lambda minus 3 minus 2 common, lambda minus 3 equal to 0. This implies lambda minus 3 into lambda minus 2 equal to 0 implies lambda equal to 3 comma 2. So therefore finally lambda equal to 1 here and 2 and 3. So eigenvalues are 1, 2, 3. These are distinct. Therefore the matrix A is compulsory diagonalizable. Right, you know. So since eigenvalues are distinct, you can find a diagonal matrix. Now let us find eigenvectors. Now find eigenvectors. To find eigenvectors, let x be a non-zero vector. Let x be a non-zero vector corresponding to lambda. Then the matrix A minus lambda I into x equal to 0. The matrix equation A minus lambda into x equal to 0. Now case 1, I will take case 1. What is first case? If lambda equal to 1, I am going to find the eigenvectors. So first step is eigenvalue completed now. Now eigenvectors. If lambda equal to 1, by using A minus lambda into x, we can find eigenvector. Now what is A minus lambda I? I written somewhere, yes. This is A minus lambda. What is A minus lambda? 1 minus lambda, 0 minus 1, 1, 2 minus lambda, 1, 1, 2, 3 minus lambda into x1, x2, x3 which is equal to 0, 0, 0, right? A minus lambda I. 1 minus lambda, 0 minus 1, 1, 2 minus lambda, 1, 2, 2, 3 minus lambda. Write down this is correct, otherwise we will get the mistakes. Okay, 1 minus lambda, 2 minus lambda, 3 minus lambda. Now substitute lambda equal to 1 in this, then what you will get? 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 1, 2, 3 minus 1 equal to, this is equal to, I will write directly, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 1, and is it visible for you? I will write here, otherwise. Right. Now what is this? 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. Right? If lambda equal to, I am substituting 1 in this. So 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 1, 2, 3 minus 1. So 0, 0 minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. Right. Into x1, x2, x3, which is equal to 0, 0, 0. Right. Now what I will do, now see here, I want to change into echelon form, right? So for the purpose, what I will do, I will change this R1 into R2, R1 R2, I will interchange R1 R2, right? Then what you will get, 1 1 1 1 1 1, R2 is as R1, and R1 row into R2 row, 0 0 minus 1, right? 1 2 2 as it is, into x1, x2, x3, which is equal to 0 0 0. Okay. So R2 row I am writing in the R1 place 1 1 1, this is in second place 1 2 2. Now I want to make this is 0. R3 row, this is R3 row by R1, R3 minus R1, right? What is this? 1 1 1, 0 0 minus 1 already is there, R3 minus R1. So it is 0, 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 1 you will get, right? 1 1 1, 1 1 1, 1 1 1, right? 0 0 minus 1, right? 1 2 2. So R3 minus R1. Now what is this? Now I can change this one like I will write I can write ladder this. I will change again this R2 R3, R2 and R3 I will interchange. Then 1 1 1, 0 1 1, 0 0 minus 1. I can write like this, no problem. Right? Okay, so we can interchange because I want echelon form. I want upper triangular matrix. Okay, for that purpose I am writing like this. Because for using R1 you should make R2 R3 0, by using R2 make this is 0, but not possible now. Okay, now into x1 x2 x3, which is equal to 0. So how can you find now this one, right? See here, what is the rank of the matrix is 3, rank is 3. So now can you find algebraic multiplicity of 1? Algebraic multiplicity is 1 only, 2 is 1, 3 is also 1, 1 1 1. Not necessary, but you can find, right? Now to find this value, x1 plus x2, x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 0. Now x1 is 0, x2 plus x3 equal to 0. Now x3 equal to 0, x3 equal to 0. Yes, okay, 0 0 minus 1 into x3, minus x3 equal to 0. x3 value is 0 here. If x3 is 0, then what is this? x1 plus x2 equal to 0. Then x1 equal to minus x2, right? x2 equal to minus x2. So it means if I take x2 equal to k, right? Otherwise x1 equal to k. x1 equal to k, then x2 equal to minus x1. Minus x1 means minus k. So therefore first vector x1 is x1, x2, x3. This is equal to x1 is k, x2 is minus k, x3 is 0. So if I take k common, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. So this is the eigenvector, first vector, right? Did you understand now? So if lambda equal to 1, I am taking lambda equal to 1 and substitute in this a minus lambda I equal to 0 and a minus lambda I, use echelon form and find this. Otherwise you can use by equation method, but x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 0 and you can cancel, no problem, right? Now the second one case, let lambda equal to 2 next. Right. Now case 2 is if lambda equal to 2, then what will happen? Let us see. If lambda equal to 2, then the same a minus lambda I into x equal to, what is a minus lambda I? 1 minus lambda, I will write directly, 1 minus lambda is 2, 1 minus 2, 0 minus 1, 1, 2 minus lambda means 2 minus 2, 1, 2, 2, 3 minus 2 into x1, x2, x3 which is equal to 0, 0, 0, right? Now from this what you can write? This is 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 2 minus 2, please concentrate. It is getting late, little bit lengthy, but very important problem. 2 minus 2, 0, 1, 2, 2, 1, right? Now I want to change this is into echelon form. So how can you change this one? R2 is R2 plus R1, R3 is R3 plus 2R1, R3 plus 2R1, it will become 0. So minus 1, 0, minus 1, R2 plus R1, 0, this is 0 already, this is 0, R2 plus R1 plus minus 1, 0, R3 plus 2R1, R3 plus 2 is 0, R3 plus R2, 0, R3 plus 2 means minus 2, minus 2 means minus 1, we'll get this one. Now again I will interchange R2 and R3 rows. If I interchange R2 and R3 rows, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 1, 0, 0, 0. Now rank is 2 here, n minus r variables. So rank is 2, 2 non-zero rows, 1, 2, this is non-zero, non-zero. This is 0 row, so don't count. Our rank is only non-zero rows, 2. N value is 3. So n minus r, 3 minus n is 3, rank is 2. So 1 n minus r arbitrary constants, you can choose n minus r arbitrary constant, means case, to find the value. Let us see, for example, this is what? Minus x1 plus x2 is not there, so minus x3 equal to 0, minus x1 minus x3, x1 is 0, 2x2 minus x3 equal to 0, this is 0, 0, 0. Then how can you find this? Say if I take, let x2 equal to k, x2 equal to k, then 2k equal to x3, so x3 equal to 2k. If x3 equal to 2k, then what is minus x1? Minus x1 is plus x3, so x3 is 2k, so x1 equal to minus 2k, x1 is minus 2k, x2 is k and x3 is 2k, finish. So therefore now what is this? What is second vector? x2 equal to x1, x2, x3 which is equal to x1 is minus 2k, x2 equal to k, x3 equal to 2k. So take k common from this, what you will get? Minus 2, 1, 2. minus 2 1 2. So this is the second vector x2, right? Understood? x2 is finished. Now let us find eigenvector x3 for lambda equal to 3. Next case 3 for lambda equal to 3 we should find eigenvector x3. Then again a minus lambda I into x equal to 0, that is a minus lambda 1 minus lambda, 1 minus lambda is 3, 0 minus 1 1, 2 minus lambda 2 minus 3 1 2 2, 3 minus lambda 3 into x1 x2 x3 which is equal to 0 0 0, right? 1 minus 3 2 minus 3 3 minus 3 0 minus 1 1 1 2 2. Take care of this. Now what is this? 1 minus 3 minus 2 0 minus 1 1 2 minus 3 minus 1 1 2 2 0 into here x1 x2 x3 which is equal to 0 0 0, right? Now find out this is R2, right? And interchange this one again, R1 as R2. What you will get? 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 2 0 minus 1 2 2 0. So I will write later this one. Same, I want to change R2 0. So R2 plus 2R1, R2 plus 2R1, it will become 0. If I want to make R3 0, R3 minus 2R1, R3 minus 2R1. Now check this, 1 minus 1 1, R2 plus 2R1, R2 plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 0, the R2 plus 2R1 minus 2 plus 2 0 0 minus 2, R2 plus 2 minus 2, R2 plus 2 means plus 1, and here R3 minus 2R1, R3 minus 2 0, R3 minus plus 2 4, R3 minus 2 is correct. Check once again, 1 minus 1 1, R2 plus 2R1, R2 plus 2 0, R2 plus 2 means minus 2, right? R2 plus 2 means 2 minus 1 1, correct, right? Now use this R2 and make this is 0. How? R3 is R3 plus 2R2, R3 plus 2R2, 1 minus 1 1, 0 minus 2 1, R3 plus 2R2 0, R3 plus 2 means minus 4, R3 is 4 plus 2R2, 2 into R2, 2 into minus 2 means minus 4, it is 0, right? Are you getting? R3 minus 2 plus 2, this is also 0. Finish. Into x1 x2 x3 which is equal to 0 0 0, right? Now what is the rank? Rank is 2 again, 2 non-zero rows, n value is 3, so choose n minus r variable, one variable here. So how can you find this again, right? Now n minus r equal, now multiply 1 into x1 x2 plus x3. What is this? x1 minus x2 plus x3 equal to 0. Here 0 into x1 0, minus 2x2 plus x3 equal to 0, and this is anyhow 0 0 0, complete 0. So now in this also same, I will take x2 equal to some k. If x2 is k, minus 2x2 equal to minus x3. x2 I am taking k, so minus 2k equal to minus x3 implies minus minus cancel, x3 equal to 2k, x3 equal to 2k. If x3 equal to 2k, x2 equal to k, what is x1 now? x1 equal to